Well, hello there, my favorite humanoids and clever bunnies. So, let's start having a small game before it's bedtime. And of course, still tech video on the do list, but got so much paperwork at job that can't, can't really focus on it at the moment. Unfortunately. That I think was close. A little bit different, huh? I haven't played this particular map, have I? Or I just can't remember. Oh no, it is the same. Oh my god. Rush, rush, rush. Is that all you can? I was talking about myself, of course. Soon we can see all the way down here, but what the hell? Mm-hmm. That's correct. That sounds about nice. Well, won't get my panties in a bunch. It's already. Oh, bastard! Same guy. Funny. Okay. Time for I know exactly what the plan should be. That involves something about not getting blapped, I think. Something like that. But of course we already pressured back to the start line here. My tractor is so slow. So close, but so far away. Thank you. Even a blind hand can find something to peck. Katusha. same guy. All 3 times. Ay, 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 ay. Well, shit happens, huh? Won't get my pants in the bunch. Oh, camouflage already? No, not yet anyways. So let's see, what am I doing here? Yes, I'm leveling this one, and I'm gonna skip all that, and I'm gonna level these guys. So one more. 3D printer is how much off? It's like 35 minutes. I need to go to bed. The same goddamn map again. Oh my dear lord. Okay. What should I do this time? Strategy number 1. Don't get shot. And we go from there. So does feel a little bit more different playing. We try to pick them off. Not the same. Sorry about the language. I try not to use profanities, but no. So the bad habits are so well entrenched. I can see one. I can't do that even. What can't you do? I can't scout him. Oh, say hello to your mother. Gonna... Okay, not dead yet.
1 час. Дистанция 850 метров. Бронебойный. Перелет.
That's good shit. He died. And I am reloading.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
I don't dare to start. It's fully depleted. Oh.
12 часов. Дистанция 950 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 850 метров.
bit more.
Огонь! Перелет! Перелет!
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Внимание, воздух!
It's not much of earning today. I got one actually, but no, it's a Thursday. Poor little me, armorless bastard.
12 часов! Дистанция 850 метров!
Oh, I got some more now. I don't have any more.
Внимание, воздух! Перелет! Перелет! Танк 12 часов! Дистанция 750
Oh my
метров!
god,
Бронебойным! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово!
look at that. Pure skills. You saw me lead, you saw me actually have a lot of thoughts about how to shoot the bugger. Yes. Indeed. That is that was thank God I'm getting slimmer so I can pat myself better on the back. Excellent, excellent.
Keep it up! The victory will be ours!
I can't oh,
Танк 12 часов! Дистанция
something like
600
that.
метров!
Oh,
Перелет! Перелет! Воздух!
what is that? 2 kilometers. Oh. How was it? I could. Oh yeah, it was shift. Oh my god. Forgotten the keys also.
Миссия выполнена!
Okay. It's good enough. Didn't die. And I got a little bit on my my spa, and we got the emblem, tank rescuer even. Wow. Yeah. Oh. So what do they get here? I did. It's yeah, it's that one. You have the new. Let's take the engine now. Oh, we have a brake system. And we horizontal drive. We had that. And crew replenishments. That's probably the last one, no? Excellent. Now we shall check on our people. We always look at gunner targeting and this bugger. How about this loader? No, gunner. Our range finding also, of course. Here, loader, no, gunner, targeting, yes. And these, of course, I haven't played that much now, but we are going to, of course, take the pew pews. Anyways, you must have a very nice evening, and